So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today, let's talk about, this video is about what we have learned from Module 1 to Module 7 from the subject PE, physical fitness. Physical fitness talks about the aspect of the ability of the person that can take an actions to do their daily life, which is doing a sports or their daily activities to survive. There's a different aspects under physical fitness and also an organ system that help our body. First is the circulatory system, which is the circulatory system. It is about to circulate the nutrients and to circulate the blood or to transport nutrients throughout the body, which the amino acids and electrolytes, considering the oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, and blood cells. Respiratory system, it is talk about the breathing of the person, which is concerning an oxygen that we absorb from the air to help our organ to work. And the third one is digestive system. Digestive system, it is to digest the food or to help us to absorb the nutrients coming from the food, from the meals we eat or we took, which is to help other organ to build and to regulate their system. So together with them, we're going to talk about the other system.
Additional, in reproductive system, so we have the female reproductive system and also the male reproductive system. So in female reproductive system, it has two functions, which is to produce egg cell and also to nourish the offspring in birth. So the male reproductive system, its function is to produce sperm cell. And next is urinary system. So in urinary system, its function is to release waste or toxins out of our body by creating urine, and also it filters our blood.
So next is the integumentary system. So it has skin and hair, and it provides protection from ultraviolet radiation, and the skin guards from sunburn, and it is also waterproof, cushion, and the protection of body from infection. And so the integumentary system is excretes waste and regulates body temperature. So next is the skeletal system. So the major function of skeletal system is our body support, facilitation of movements, and the protection of internal organs and storage of minerals and fats, and blood cell formation.
Nervous system, it is the controlling, regulatory, and communicating in the body. So it is the center of mental activities, including the thoughts, learning, and the memory. So muscular system, it is consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It permits the body movement, maintain postures, and circulates the blood throughout the body.
So additional, which is the endocrine system, which is it is glands that secrete hormones, which the hormones that carries throughout the body that help us to in control the mood, development, and the work that are organs, which also the metabolism. Continuing what we've learned from Module 1 to Module 7, which is the importance of body system in our body. It is importance the body system in our body, which is to help us to give the strength, energy, and to help us to do an actions in our daily life activities, which this system it is the one who let us move from one to another or to help us to survive, to do our daily tasks.
So these are some of the exercises that we have learned from the module to help our body, to boost up our body systems or help our body systems to function productively. So one of the examples are
Dead bug,
Bird dog,
plank.
and squat series.
So those are the exercises that will surely help us in order to produce or to help our body system, such as the flexibility, balance, and many more. So this time I'm going to talk about the benefits of the bird dog that helps our body system. So bird dog, it is to strengthen the muscles and stabilize the spine, also to help us to control the posture and align the spine. Especially, it has helped us the muscles in the shoulder.
So do you like safe and effective way of exercises? I do. So this is one of the exercises I've learned from the module, which is the dead bug series. So in this exercise, it will help you improve your posture, and also it will relieve or prevent you from back pain. So also these exercises will also help you to balance.
So now let's move to squat exercise. So doing the squat exercise, it will help you to strengthen your core, reduce the risk of injuries, it crushes your calories, it strengthens the muscle of your lower body, and also it boosts the athletic ability and strength of your body.
Next is the plank series. So first, the benefits of plank series is it targets the group of muscles in our body, and this means that adding a plank in our daily exercise regimen, and it will help to improve our skeletal system, and also it will improve our it will improve our ability to focus and concentrate, and also it will help us to breathe properly.
So done with the different exercises that helps the body to improve the organ system, the body organ systems, which is there is this essential nutrients that to order to provide a good nutrition such as carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. So the different exercises, the dead back, plank, squats, and bird dog, those are the non-locomotor skills.
So the non-locomotor movements, so it doesn't require a wider space, but you only have to stay on your pace and to maybe do some swinging of your hands back and forth. So the non-locomotor movements, it will improve or boost your body.
Locomotor movements rather are defined as movements that travel space or carry a weight from one location to another. This act using movements to shift weight from one place to another. Crawl and creep exercise. So the benefits of crawl and creep exercise is to develop muscles in the head, neck, arms, back, and legs, as well as it will help to develop to the development of gross and fine motor skills. So next is the jump and land exercise rather. So the benefits of jump and land exercise is to strengthen every muscles in your body.
If you're an athlete, you probably need to optimize your performance and your stamina. So the linear movements and lateral movements could be a help. So in linear movements, two of the examples are walking or jogging. While in lateral movements, it could be playing basketball, volleyball, or football, because it involves the movements of side to side and also backward and forward.
Under physical fitness, which is the basic strength exercises. So under in it is knee dominant and hip dominant. Knee dominant, which is it can be done in squat and or single leg raise or single leg squats, which is whether it is elevated or knee tap. So secondly is hip dominant, which is hip dominant. It can be also done with the squat, and others it wall sits.
Horizontal vertical push and pull is one of the basic strength training exercise, which it will help us to strengthen our bone and muscle of our body, and it is also the key to injury prevention, and it builds balance to our body.